No email? That means no doctor updates, no banking alerts, no family messages. It's almost like being cut off from the world. In this video, I'll show seniors exactly how to set up an email, step by step, stress-free, and ready in minutes. Hello and welcome back to Senior Safe Tech. Let's begin with something simple. Why is email still so important? In a world of smartphone and apps, email remains the gateway to almost everything. Medical appointments, shopping receipts, travel confirmations, and most importantly, staying in touch with loved ones. And if you've never had an email before or want a clean new one, I promise it's easier than you think. So let's get started. Grab your phone, tablet, or computer. I recommend doing this on a tablet or laptop, but any device will work. We will create a Gmail account. It's free, secure, and trusted by millions. Step 1. Open your web browser. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you like, and go to www.gmail.com. You'll see a blue button that says Create Account. Click it. Next, it'll ask, who is this account for? Choose for myself. Now it's time to enter your name, first and last. Then, enter your date of birth and gender. Google asks this for personalization and security. Click Next now. Choose a unique username. This will be your email address, like sarah.brown1938@gmail.com. Don't worry if it says the name is taken, just add a number or a middle initial. After that, create a strong password. Don't use something like 123456 or your pet's name. Instead, try a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, tulip 9274 or jazztime_55. Make sure it's something you can remember or write it down and keep it safe. Once your password is set, click Next. Now, it will ask for a recovery phone number or email. This step is optional, but highly recommended. If you ever forget your password, this is how you get back in. Add your mobile number or another email you trust. Here's an important part, the privacy and terms page. Don't just click mindlessly, scroll through briefly, and click I agree when ready. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It lets me know you'd like more videos just like this. Congratulations, you now have a working email account. Let's test it. Go to www.gmail.com again and log in with your new email and password. You'll see your inbox. This is where all your messages will come. Try sending a test email to a family member. Click Compose, type their email in the To box. Write a short message like, hello from my new email, and hit send. Done. You've just sent your first email. Now, let me show you one bonus feature seniors love. Email on your phone. If you're using an Android device, open the Gmail app. It's probably already installed. Tap Add Account, choose Google, enter your new email and password, and you're in. On iPhones, go to Settings, then Mail, then Accounts, and Add Account. Select Google and follow the steps. From now on, you'll get email alerts, photos from grandkids, and even doctor messages right to your phone. And remember, you only have to set this up once. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. Check your inbox once a day. Delete spam, reply to family, and stay updated. Email can be your lifeline to the outside world, and now it's yours. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more senior-friendly tech tips, and share this with someone who still doesn't have email, because it's never too late to connect. See you in the following video. Stay confident, stay connected, and enjoy the digital world. It's yours too.